Hello, everyone.
That's an electric fence. Roasted.
Saglit na magkala. Akamcho sa tayo ng kakamtiyang. Alta ka sa ito makamala.
Do we even want to know how she got there?
Ay, stop la.
He had it coming.
Did you know cows will get themselves stuck and not even let you help them? This one took "take a seat" too seriously.
Why are you in there in the first place?
Average day at the farm.
Because you're trying to drink stale, stagnant water instead of water trough water.
I don't know how we're gonna get that out.
Well, Mickey got his horn stuck in his tire, and he's pissed about it.
Something tells me this is gonna happen again.
Oh, there it is. You got it. You did it. That was good. That was not as difficult as I thought. No. Now, Mickey, stay out of the tire, bro.
Watch out, herding dogs. AI's gonna get ya. The economy out here is so bad, even Rams are picking up demolition jobs.
Of how people underestimate me. They look at me and they think, oh, she's so little and cute. Look at her. She's so tiny. But what they really don't know is I am batshit crazy.
Are chairs the new cow accessory no one told us about?
I am, as if I didn't want them. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. Like, what do I get it tattooed on my forehead or something?
4 p.m. girl naps also apply to cows.
Someone's gonna...
ABS brakes on a pony? We are witnessing the Great Escape.
Fat.
Fainting goats take all day to do nothing. Teamwork makes the dream work. I'm that goat just watching from the corner. Shrek live action? Playtime got a little out of hand here. The cat came to the wrong neighborhood. Proof that raccoons can nap anywhere. Some sheep just don't want to be saved.
When you put 100% of your energy into babysitting the younger cousin your mom assigned you. He knows he's the favorite, so he's acting up like this. This wedding has a very special guest. Wonder whose side they're on. First step in a tango class, be like,
No!
dog be like, you're gonna play with me, right? Let's have fun. These magic tricks always work on kids. Cow be like, I know you like me. No need to make it so obvious.
That's it right here?
If you're gonna be in here while I do this, just don't make any noises.
Oh, don't worry. I'll be quiet, I promise. Pinky, promise. Okay, go.
Logo perto.